What's up? It's Sketchy Jesse, and I'm going to show you how to make a metal rose. So you're going to want to find some rusty sheet metal, and then draw some circles on it. But your Sharpie's dead, so you just throw it. So you grab another Sharpie, and it's also dead, so you throw it. So you grab another Sharpie, and guess what? So now you're going to want to cut some squares because you can't cut circles because you don't have a plasma cutter. Oh, look at that. They're done. Now you can make your circles because you made squares. So I cut out 5 circles and they are all different sizes. Okay, you're going to come across another Sharpie and toss it. Now we got to drill a hole for our stem and boom, holes. So now you're going to want to make some cuts. Make it look like a clover or something. I don't know. Do it to all of them. And then the last one. So, funny story. I actually dropped it and I didn't use it. So now you're going to want to grind off all the sharp danger parts. And look at that. So nice. Wow. So round your edges because roses are not edgy. And you're going to want to do this to all 5 of them. And I'm pretty sure this is where I show all 5 of them. Nope, I'm just showing it one. It looks like a ninja star. There's all 5 ninja stars. But yeah, like I said, I dropped one and I actually didn't use it. The little 3-guy one. Oh, that one's stuck. Pull it out. I felt like a blacksmith here and I made a stem and twisted it together. I twisted it 3 times like a Twizzler. Look at that. No, but actually it turned out pretty cool. So then I welded it and it melted and broke off. So I welded it here to make it all nice and not sharp. On the stem, I left one part a little longer because that's where it fits into the centers where I drilled the holes like that. And then I welded them on. I welded all of them and I only filmed one. So that's all of them welded on. I tried to bend it and I broke it off and then I dropped it and it went in no man's land and I didn't use it because I couldn't find it. So this is me bending it super fast. So I use side cutters because if you use regular pliers, it leaves like flat spots. And I ain't never seen no flat spotted roses before. So you're going to want to continue doing this with all of them. So just keep bending all of them. I like to flare the edges out a little bit. It makes it look a little bit more natural. Now, I just made this one just because I was bored, so I didn't put that much detail into it. But if you take your time, you can make it look pretty sick. Anyways, yeah, so just flare the edges and make it look cool. This is how it ended up. Wow, so nice. Look at that rose. It's kind of big. I don't like it. It's in the vise, and why am I bending it? What's going on here? Why am I welding it to a camshaft? Oh my god, danger. If someone could give me TIG welding lessons, that would be greatly appreciated. So, look at that. It's a rose on a camshaft lamp. So creative. Look at that nice car behind it too. Wow. But yeah, thank you for watching. Goodbye.